Hello friends, Duncan here. I'm currently on my way up to San Javier Mission from Loreto. Beautiful road cut through the mountains here. Absolutely stunning location. Off in the distance, you can see Isla Carmen. You can see the Sea of Cortez. Today's a beautiful day, beautiful, slightly overcast sky, which is nice because it's really not that hot. But this is really a beautiful location. I love that in the mountains you can actually see all the striations of the different geologies and the different types of rock that are there. Absolutely a stunning location. So let's go to San Javier. Had a chance to walk through the church and really just admire the architecture, all of the statues and everything inside the church. It was really quite amazing. This is the second mission built in Baja in the late 1600s, so it's actually 325 years old, so it's really quite a historical artifact. But this is really an oasis here, and the reason that this mission was built at this location has everything to do with the fresh water in the river that runs around it. And one of the things that the Jesuits and the Franciscans did when they built this church was they also planted quite a number of olive trees, and those olive trees still exist today, so you can see them. So it's really quite a historical treasure, historical artifact. If you're in Baja California Sur, you're in Loreto, I definitely recommend it. It's a beautiful drive getting out here from Loreto. It's about a 45-minute drive, not bad at all, and really quite an interesting landscape as you drive out here. So definitely take the chance to do it. It's worth the visit. I'd also mention that there's a couple of restaurants that are located here, so perfect stop to be able to come out and have lunch and relax. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. So it's currently about 12 o'clock, so perfect time for lunchtime. So I'm going to go do that. Let's see what I can find. Enjoy. Hola, señora. Quisiera enchilada con carne para bebidas. Sí, sí. Para bebidas, una botella poquito, topo chico, mineral, agua mineral, y también vino blanco. Okay, gracias. So I ordered the enchiladas with the red sauce, the rojo, and with meat, with carne. So also has a little bit of arroz, and also some looks like some sauce here. Nice, looks like a verde sauce. So good. Enjoy. Try the first bite here. Good. Cheese is good. A little spicy, not too much. I'll try a little bit of this verde sauce as well. Friends, I hope you're enjoying this content that I'm bringing you from Baja California Sur in Mexico. If you are, please give me a big thumbs up. Please leave me any comments that you might have about some of my journeys and what you would like to see in the future.